Hey, welcome back to the Higher Table Podcast, entertainment side of things. I don't know if you know the already. I'm deep of it. It's about to go. We are just going to do I want to get the one. Nema, the woman hunguni. Damn it! You know, and that's when you you be like, okay, what the heck is going on? So I'm chilling. Every time those duran those man. Savannah and Havana. Whatever. So I'm thinking, what the heck? I know we went tomorrow first much we trying to analyze okay. Next thing I'm gonna repeat it. But I'm zoomed on and damn my bad. We're gonna get one side. One side. Hey. Then I'm like the heck, man. There's Mizo's Phyl's voice here. Then I went and checked out the track. And I did check out track and then to do it of the National of the la. Fistos Phyll, Mizo Phyll, VanBest, Papi Ricco, na Drubango. This is the track you gotta check out. One thing I'm asking guys, please, can we have a music video for this song? This song I'm telling you. Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, the Fistos Value featuring Mizo Phyll, VanBest, Papi Ricco, and Drubango. I won. Liko Tshivenda later Zitu, Lita Madi, Liko Baba was to Tambanga Majority. I will read a little in December. There was a Baba, the Bokoranga wrote Abangabu. What do you have a chair? Ne. I'm out of here. Check out the track. I could drop a link in the description. Make sure that you check out this track. Savannah,